Benji, 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 wake up. Benji, I heard a noise. Wake up. It's me, Tubie. I know who it is. I live with you, and that's it. What are you doing? I heard a noise out in the garage. Tubie, there's nothing out there, man. Okay. What's going on now? There's something going on in the garage, Benji. Come on, man. Check it out for me. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, Tubie's going crazy. My shopper went grocery shopping for me today. Let's see what's going on. Follow me. Hello? Shh. You have to have the element of surprise. See, the door's open. It's just darkness to me. They leave the door open all the time. Well, it does look okay. Here, stop. What? Let's look in here. Maybe someone's in here. In the refrigerator, damn it. Well, while we're here, let's grab some Eggos. Tubie, you meatball. You just wanted some snacks while I was asleep. Oh my gosh.